Iginiit naman ng Malacanang na hindi ginagamit ng Administrasyong Aquino ang pondo nito o pondo ng bayan para sa usaping politikal. Reaksyon nito ng palasyo sa paratang naman ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na namigay ng insentibo sa mga senador para ma-impeach si dating CJ Corona. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Malacanang na walang ginamit na pondo ng bayan para mapatalsik sa pwesto si dating Chief Justice Renato Corona. Sinabi ito ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte sa aligasyon ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na may 50 million pesos umano na dagdag sa PDAF ng mga senador na bumoto umano na pabor sa pagpapatalsik sa dating punong mahistrado.
Again, it's not a play on words. I disagree because say that there's a release for the specific purpose of bribing, of giving an incentive or a reward, then that's not the truth. 'Di ba? Nagkakaroon ng mga fund releases. In fact, sinabi nga ni Secretary Abad, yung ibang mga releases sa kanila na naka-schedule naman, either ni-release nila ng maaga o dinefer nila kasi ayaw nga naming mapagbintangan na nagkakaroon ng kulay yung mga fund releases na ganito. You can also check the releases, for your context, the releases also of their funds ng 2011. Tingnan nyo yung timing at kung kailan yung mga naging regular schedules nung pag-release ng ganito.
Napakinggan rin anya ni Pangulo Aquino ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Estrada. Tinawagaan niya nito si Budget Secretary Florencio Abad para sagutin ang naturang paratang.
He was able to monitor part of it. He had a meeting that afternoon and from what I understand, he caught some of it. Reaction, wala ako doon so hindi ko masabi sa kanya yung mukha ng Pangulo. But from what I understand, he did call Secretary Abad to say that, nabanggit ka, and then just say what it is that you have to say.
Ipinahayag na Senador Panfilo Lacson na may pinalabas na dagdag pondo sa PDAF. Nauna ng tiniyak ng Malacanang na hindi umiiral sa Aquino administration ang paggamit ng kaban ng bayan para mabigyan daan ang usaping politikal.
I cannot answer for both senators, primarily because Senator Lacson was talking about a conversation inside the caucus, which we are not party to. So you'll have to go to him and ask about the particular circumstances of those. About the letter that was being waved around by Senator Estrada, does anybody have a copy of it? Because we were not also able to see, as far as we are concerned, we have no knowledge of that particular letter that he was referring to and its contents. So, as far as the executive is concerned, we can categorically tell you that there was no 50 million that was given to the senators as a bribe, as a reward, or as an incentive for the conviction of the former Chief Justice.
Kasabay ng pahayag ni Senador Estrada, lumabas ang report ng pagdiskwalipika ng COMELEC kay Laguna Governor E.R. Ejercito dahil sa umano'y overspending. Pero pagtiyak ng Malacanang, hindi pinag-iinitan ng Administrasyong Aquino ang pamilya Estrada.
They are not being singled out. Nandun po sa COA report yung basihan, pati ho doon sa mga testimony noong mga whistleblowers, yung mga taong nakasuhan po or nagsinampahan po ng kaso ng DOJ. I will defer to the COMELEC on the matter of the disqualification of one of its divisions of Governor Ejercito.
Gate pa ni Valte, normal na proseso ito at ipinalabas pagkatapos mahatulan si Corona. Minabuti na rin ang palasyo na hindi nasagutin ang pahayag na vindication umano ng dating punong maestrado.
Conspiracy to oust him, then wag na ho nating balikan yan. That's beating a dead horse already. I have no opinion.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.